Morning everyone. We have moved on to Haye Farm, which is near Bewdley. We've only travelled 3 miles. It's a working farm with fishery lakes. Brian's poked up there. It's non-hookup. I think it's just £8 a night. Might be 10, but I'll come back to you if I think it's 8. It's park as you like by the looks of it. It's only 5 spots. There's 4 of us here. There's plenty of room to get somebody else in. You've got a freshwater tap over there, and I'm guessing, oh, there's a cat running away, and I'm guessing up there that is where your bins and your elsan point is, but I'll come back to you in a minute.
Wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. And the part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car?
Morning everyone. Well, it's quite late afternoon actually.
Wait for it to stop raining, haven't we?
We have, yeah. It's been a little bit drizzly this morning, so we put the time to good effort, and I've just edited Newton Abbot, Dawlish, Teignmouth and the Teen House in videos together. I'm on manual again, hoping that it's going to work well with this camera finally, and every video that I use this on hopefully will be in a good shot. Oh, of course Buffy's had to stop and drop an egg, but yeah, we just paid the farmer here £16 for 2 nights. Yeah, they have got toilets here, which is also used by the people attending the fishing lakes. But yeah, it's quite nice. There's a tiny little background noise from the main road as we approach it, but we can't hear it from where we are. And I'm going to come back round.
You can hear vaguely the whistle from the
you can hear
train, which is rather nice.
You can hear the Severn Valley Railway as we walk towards Bewdley. But most of the night, all you can hear is the animals. Owls, and there's occasionally a cow does decide to let out a bleat, or that's a sheep, a moo, but it's not a moo, you know, it's like a loud moo.
That's all right. Next week he's going to be learning animal sounds.
Johnny Morris is he just talked in his accent and all the animals spoke for him. Anyway, yeah, we're going to have a walk into Bewdley, go and see what it's got, and we'll come back in a bit.
I've been blind, 'cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Walking down the street, the rain is pouring down, but my feet are walking to a different sound. What's been broken? This ain't the first time I'll be drinking off my mind. Love is gone.
once in as a border town between Worcestershire and Shropshire, and it was called a den of thieves, and it would be a hideout for murderers and convicts and such like. But this river here was crossed by a ferry for 650 years. Some of the footage that we just saw earlier showed the last remaining boat that used to go across this river at that time. It was built in 1952 and lasted until 1972, and is now in somebody's garden. But
Hanging on to hope and holding on to a dream, wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your stories told 1,000 times. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken.
well, we sat outside the Arches pub, and I've got a glass of Butty back. Had it before, it's a nice beer. But I'm going to report that I did give you a bit of duff information earlier. The bridge here at Bewdley has actually been here since 1798, not 1972. The ferry was Arley Ferry from a little way upriver. So, yeah, I'll probably have put it in then already, but the famous bridge here at Bewdley, 1798. We saw the toll house that was used to be for it, and they tried to save it in 1961 to the tune of 2,850 quid, but they refused and knocked it down, and all there is now is a brass plaque, which they said actually cost them more than that now. But anyway, Wye Valley, Butty back. Still testing the new manual settings on the camera. It's good. Or as my granddaughter would say when she sees me drink some, go,
Drinking off my mind. Walking down the street, the rain is pouring down. But my feet are walking to a different sound.
Well, we're just sat in the in the outside of Bewdley Brewery, which is very, very nice and a nice little find. Sat here in the sunshine. It was raining this morning, so we're very glad to have a little bit of sunshine. I've got some sort of IPA.
it's a Baldwin IPA.
Obviously, yeah. And it's lovely and hoppy, very refreshing. I'll have some. I think the man's just bringing me over a crate for a keg for me.
And I've got a Worcestershire Way. It's just a plain gold ale, but it's good. But yeah, you've got to love a proper microbrewery that's wheeling their kegs out.
She's absolutely, she's got no boundaries.